Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh, your SST teacher, and this is your chapter 4, the Northern Mountain. Student, in this chapter we will explain only main points of the lesson. Let us look at the first with Northern Mountain. Okay, the Northern Mountains is along the northern and northeastern edge of India. It consists of several parallel ranges. The main among the are Karakoram, Himalayas and Purvanchal. In the map we can find the Himalayan region here, that the Karakoram range, the Himalayan range, it consists of three ranges of Himalayas: the Himadri range, the Himachal range and the Shivalik range. The Himadri range also called the Greater Himalaya, Himachal range also called the Middle Himalaya, and Shivalik range is called the Lower Himalaya. Okay, so there are three ranges of Himalayas: Himadri range, Himachal range and Shivalik range. The Himalaya means that abode of snow. Abode means house. Abode means house, which means house of snow. It is a Sanskrit word. Him means snow and Alaya means house. It means abode of snow. Okay, so let us look at the Karakoram range. As we know that the Karakoram range is the northernmost part of the Himalayan range, and it lies in Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh region, and the Himadri range lies from the Jammu Kashmir to Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. The Himachal range lies in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, and its Shivalik range, it lies in the Punjab and some parts of the Haryana and Uttarakhand and Nepal. Okay, so as we say that here the Himalayas in India are made of three ranges. The Himadri range are Greater Himalaya, the Himachal are Middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik are the Outer Himalayas. Okay. Next, the Himadri range lies in the northernmost range, the Himalayas. It is also highest of the three ranges. It contains some of the world highest peak like Kanchenjunga. Okay. Kanchenjunga, Mount Annapurna and Nanga Parbat. Kanchenjunga is a height of 8,586 meters and it is the highest peak of the India. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Indus River are originated from the Himadri region. Next is the Himachal range. The middle range of the Himalayas is called the Himachal range, and it is not high as the Himalayas. Only some peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Most of these mountains are thickly forested. The pleasant climate and beautiful scenery make the Himachal popular tourist destination. Several hill stations like Sonmarg, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling are located here. And the next is Shivalik range or the Outer Himalaya. The Shivalik range is the lowest Himalayan range. Mountain in range are covered with thick forest and many wildlife here. At the foothills of the Shivalik lies narrow strip of marshy lowland called the Tarai. Life in the northern mountains. In India, the northern mountains run across the Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram and Meghalaya. Each region has a culture its own. The lifestyle of the people here is largely shaped by the presence of mountain range. Occupation. The main occupations of the people living in the Himalayan region are herding, agriculture and forestry. Tourism and local handicraft industries too are important source of the income. Herding. Herding is one of the important occupation of this region. Sheep, goat, yak are the main animals raised. Nomadic herders like Gujar and Bakarwals move from one place to another in search of pasture for the sheep and goats they herd. In summer, they move the animals up the mountains and valleys, and in winter, they move down to the lower part of the Himalayas. The animals are reared for wool, meat, milk, and hide. It means leather. Okay. Cultivation. Crops like rice, corn, which is called maize, also wheat, millets are grown in the valleys where soil is very fertile. The climate is region also suitable for cultivation of fruits and vegetables. And the valleys of Kashmir, Kullu valleys, Himachal Pradesh are famous for the fruit orchard. Apples, peaches, pears, apricots and cherries are grown here. The main occupation of the Himalayan region is tourism. The hill station in Himalayan attract plenty of tourists. Srinagar in Kashmir, Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali in Himachal Pradesh, Mussoorie and Nainital in Uttarakhand and Darjeeling in West Bengal are some of the popular destinations. Handicrafts. The traditional clothing, jewelries and handicrafts of the each states are known. The unique beauty woolen shawl, caps and sweaters made in Himachal Pradesh are sold all over India. Kashmir is known for its finely embroidery, shawls and items made paper, match, wood, silver and brass. The people of Tripura make handicraft using cane and bamboos. Clothings. The traditional loot kurta worn by the Kashmiri men and women is called firar. It keeps them warm. The women in Himachal Pradesh wear tight pajama, loose kurta and head scarves, while the men wear colorful caps. The women of Sikkim traditionally wear the long skirt called baku and colorful bead jewelry. The people of Nagaland wear colorful traditional shawls. Okay. Importance of the mountain. The Himalayan protect us cold winds that blow from Central Asia. The Himalayan range act as the natural boundary which protect us from cold wind which come from Siberia. If the Himalaya does not exist there, the cold wind across the northern plains and in this region the snow is common. Snow is common. Okay. Snow is common and it is very cold in winter. So it protects the cold winds from blow from Central Asia. They also act barrier and stop monsoon wind from going outside India. When the mountain region protect from cold wind, but it also protect the monsoon wind which comes from Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal, and it protect as a barrier and it cause the rainfall in the most part of the India. When it does not exist there, the northern plains and the most part of the region of India is totally became desert, became desert. So it is the blaze of the India also called. It is not wrong. Okay. Many important rivers of India have their origin in the Himalayan glaciers. These rivers provide us with water and deposit silt and that make land fertile for agriculture. And as we know that there are many glaciers are found in this region like Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier and Yamunotri Glacier, and so many types of glacier are found in this region. And these glacier originate many rivers, and these glaciers are source of water of these rivers. When these glacier are not exist there, the rivers are not originated from there, so this region became desert. Okay. The Himalaya from natural barrier protecting India from enemies. If Himalayas is lower, it would be able to crossed by anyone, but it is very high and covered with snow throughout the year, and here does not uh, air, so it is not possible to cross the mountains of Himalayas, and it also protect the enemies from the outside of India's. A variety of wild animals, birds and plants are found in the lower range of the northern mountains. We also get wood, medicinal plants and other useful things from the forest here. In mountain region, there are many dense forest found also, and these forest has contained many medicinal plants and useful things from the forest. During the hot summer months, hill stations are popular places to visit. Problem facing northern mountain also, these days the Himalayas facing many problems because the overpopulation is the main cause of the Himalayas. Over the past few years, because of the growing number of people living here, large area of forest has been cleared for agriculture to supply wood for fire, paper and construction material. Okay, in this region there are many construction are growing up and also live in large number of people. So it may cause the deforestation and resulting soil erosion are the some main problem faced by the region. The Himalaya region face many heavy deforestation and landslide due to the deforestation. Okay, the Indian government had turned areas like Corbett National Park and Uttarakhand and Kaziranga National Park in Assam into protect areas, stop deforestation and save wild animals. Okay, so let us look at the exercise of the lesson. First we look at the exploring new words. What is glacier? Moving sheet as the move down warmer region. The glacier melt and give rise to the rivers. When the highest mountain covered with snow, heavy snow, and they move down to from the peak of the mountain region because due to the melting of snow, and these are called glaciers. Okay, foothills, the area base mountain range. The lower part of the Himalayas are called the foothills. This region is called foothills. Okay, next is deforestation, cutting down trees by human being for wood or clear land for agriculture and settlements. Okay, it be cleared to the forest. It is called deforestation. Terrace farming, a type of practice in hilly areas where hillside cut into the ridge or steep where crops are grown. The slope of the mountain cut into steep, and this steep used to in forming many crops. These are called terrace farming. Vineyard, a large farm grapes plants are grown. Where the grapes are grown, this is called vineyard. And plantation, large farm estates where particular type of crop grown for sale, like coffee, tea. These are plantation crops, and these This is growing for large number is called plantation crop. Mark the following sentences are true or false. First statement is the 10 highest mountain of the peak world is Himalayas. It is false because 9 of 10 mountains peaks lies in the Himalayas, so it is the false answer. Only a part of Himalaya lies in Himalayas, so this statement is also false because the many parts of the Himalayas lies in Himalaya like Himadri range, Himachal range, Shivalik range, and also Karakoram and Purvanchal range lies in the India. The whole of the Himalaya remain covered with snow throughout the year. This statement is also false because the Himadri range only can remain covered snow throughout the year. The Himalayan range faced deforestation. This is true answer. Due to the increase of number of people, these days the Himalaya region faced deforestation. No cultivation take place in northern mountain. It is a false statement because in the mountain area people cut the slope of the cut into step and used to growing crop. This is called the terrace farming, so this statement is also false. Now next is choose the correct answer. The word Himalaya means abode of peace, abode of snow, abode of silence, a mountain. So right answer is abode of snow means house of snow. Okay, the mountain range lies north of Himalaya is the northern. So the right answer is Karakoram range. Okay, Karakoram range is the northernmost peaks of the Himalayan region. Next question is the river originated in Himalayas. It is called the Yamuna river. Okay, Yamuna river is originated in Himalayan region. Godavari, Kaveri and Narmada, these are rivers are the southern Indian river, and these rivers not originated from the Himalayan. Okay, the Kaziranga National Park lies in the states of. The right answer is Assam. Kaziranga is famous for rhinoceros and it is lies in the Assam. Saffron is a special crop. Saffron is a type of spice which is used to growing in mostly part of the Kashmir. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. Name the three parallel ranges of the Himalayas. It is the very easy answer. There are three ranges of Himalayas. Himadri range are Greater Himalayas. The Himachal range are the Middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik range are the Lower Himalayas. Name the source glacier of the river Ganga. The Ganga river originated from the Gangotri glacier, and in other words, the main source of the glacier of the river Ganga is Gangotri. Where does Kanchenjunga lies? The Kanchenjunga lies between on the border of between Nepal and India and Sikkim. What is Tarai? The foothill of the low and marshy land is called the Tarai. Name the few hill stations located in northern mountains of the India. There are many hill stations found in the Middle Himalaya like Kullu Manali, Darjeeling, Srinagar, Gulmarg, Nainital, Mussoorie. These are the hill stations located in the northern mountain. What is terrace farming? When the slope of the hills are cut into step or a shape in step and used to grow the crop. This is called terrace farming. Okay. In this video, that's all. In next video, we will explain about in next chapter. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.